Imagine standing beside a hole so deep that if you dropped Mount Everest inside, its peak would still be more than 3 kilometers below the surface. It sounds impossible, but this place is real. Hidden in the frozen wilderness of northern Russia lies the deepest hole humanity has ever drilled. Not for oil, not for gold, and not to reach the center of the earth. It was created to answer one question: what's beneath our feet? In 1970, during the height of the Cold War, Soviet scientists launched one of the most ambitious scientific projects ever attempted. While the world looked towards space, they looked in the opposite direction. Down. Their destination wasn't another planet. It was a world that had existed beneath humanity for billions of years, yet had never been seen. The location was the Kola Peninsula near the border between Russia and Norway. Beneath its frozen surface lay some of the oldest rocks on Earth, making it the perfect place to explore the planet's crust. At first, the mission seemed straightforward. Drill deeper than anyone ever had before. Meter after meter, year after year. The drill continued its slow descent into the earth. 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers, 10. Every new record convinced the team they were getting closer to understanding what lay beneath the surface. Then everything changed. The deeper they drilled, the hotter it became. Scientists had expected temperatures of around 100 degrees Celsius. Instead, they encountered nearly 180. Under that extreme heat and pressure, the rock no longer behaved the way anyone expected. It became softer, almost plastic-like. Drill bits wore out, equipment failed. Progress that once took days now took weeks. Yet they refused to stop, because every meter deeper meant entering a place no human had ever reached before. Finally, in 1989, they reached 12,262 meters. Even today, no one has drilled deeper. But the greatest achievement wasn't the record itself. It was what they discovered along the way. Ancient rocks revealed a history of the Earth stretching back billions of years. Scientists found microscopic fossils preserved deep inside the crust, showing that life had once existed in places where few expected to find any evidence at all. They also discovered that water exists far deeper underground than previously believed, not as hidden rivers or underground oceans, but locked inside the minerals of the surrounding rock. Every sample brought back to the surface changed what scientists knew about our planet. So why did they stop? You've probably heard the stories. That they reached hell. That strange screams were recorded from the bottom of the hole. That something terrifying forced the project to end. Those stories spread around the world, but they were never supported by credible evidence. The real reason was far less dramatic. The heat was simply too extreme. The pressure was overwhelming. And the technology of the time had reached its limit. After more than 20 years of drilling, the project was abandoned. Today, the entrance is sealed by a simple metal cap. Nothing about it suggests that beneath your feet lies the deepest point humanity has ever reached. What's truly fascinating is that after all those years, after decades of work, after drilling more than 12 kilometers into the earth, we had only traveled about 0.2% of the distance to its center. Sometimes we imagine that the greatest mysteries are waiting somewhere beyond the stars. But one of humanity's greatest mystery has been beneath our feet all along.